Welcome back to another video. Today we are in the location that I shot my first ever video with the Leica, and that is because there is a firework display on here every Saturday until firework night, so I thought we'd try and capture it. Try and capture some people and fireworks and all that. Give ourselves a little bit of a challenge because I don't usually do it. So let's crack on. It's just past blue hour, the sun has set, and we've got a couple hours before the fireworks, so we'll see what we can find and see what photos we can get. Should be good. Only here for a few hours, so I don't expect much, but anything is better than nothing, right? So we've walked along the seafront all the way to basically where the arcades start. Southend's quite a good location to shoot. There's tons of neon at night and there's always a lot of people. This is basically the place people from London come to if they want a seaside break. And it's not far from me, it's about an hour and a bit drive. So I come down here quite a bit and shoot in the neon of the arcades and the seafront and the pier behind me with tons of rides on it is always quite fun. Like I said, I've got a little while before the fireworks start, so I'm basically just going to try and get my eye in and see what I can. So back towards the actual amusements area now, and I feel like that firework display, I could have got something, I could not have got something. I was trying to get pictures of the fireworks and people in front of it. I don't know how it goes though. I feel like I'm going to have to see how they edit up, but it was a good display nevertheless. It's free, you just rock up. It happens at 8 o'clock at night every Saturday from mid-September to mid-November, and it happens every year. It's a really cool display. Fireworks are great, but because it's been raining earlier and now it's clear skies, I am trying to find little patches of water on the floor to take photos of. There was one just there, which sort of, when you get down low enough, you can see the big Ferris wheel inside of it. And then because it's on this quite large footpath that a lot of people walk on, you catch someone as they're walking and you can frame them with a reflection and their head in the Ferris wheel. I think it looks quite cool. Other than that, the amusements and the arcades are always good to take photos of. I had a job's worth of a staff member in the arcade tell me I couldn't take photos because apparently there was a sign, but the sign was on the other side of the arcade, which I didn't see. Oh well, I got a good shot there too, of the ceiling being all reflections and the neon reflecting, and someone actually at the amusements playing a machine captured quite a nice reflection in the ceiling. Worked quite well. Anyway, we're gonna walk around for a little bit, see if I can get some last photos, and then when I'm back home we'll do a sort of outro-esque thing and go through some of the shots. So it's been a few days since I recorded those clips down on the seafront. I've had a chance to look through the pictures and get rid of the ones that didn't turn out well and edit the ones that did. And a lot of them, as you can tell throughout the video, were focused on reflections, it being a rainy evening and then it cleared up towards when the fireworks started, allowed for a great opportunity to get reflections against the neons of the amusements. And I really focused on that. Now, there wasn't too many pictures there that I thought were anything special because I was only there for a couple hours, and that's what I said earlier. It wasn't really a day where I was out purely trying to get photos and really focus on the day. It was more, I'm out and about, I've got my camera, we might as well take some photos. My main goal was to get some good ones around the fireworks, and I feel like I succeeded with that. I focused on a mother and her daughter just enjoying the fireworks that were in front of me, and I was using them as a subject with the fireworks in the background to give a little bit of layering and create some depth with a wide open aperture. The main thing though that I realized is they weren't my favorite photos of the day, even though that's what I was trying to get. My favorite one was the last photo I took, the one where you had the Ferris wheel in the background and the big open pathway, and I managed to capture someone with their head right in the center of the Ferris wheel, the reflection of the puddle underneath, in black and white and color. They both look good, but I chose black and white for that shot. And then I didn't take anything else. I said I was going to look around for more shots, but there was nothing really going on, so I just went home, edited the photos I got, and then for that short amount of time that I was out, we didn't do too bad. There were some good photos there, photos that I'm quite happy with, especially that last one. And I don't think I did terribly when it came to photographing the fireworks, considering how difficult that shot is to pull off when it comes to the background element of the fireworks and the foreground element of the people. So I feel like I did okay. Let me know what you think of the photos that I took in this video, and I'll see you next week for another one. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.